Today I'm working on this 2014 Subaru Impreza. It has some sort of exhaust leak or some sort of rattle underneath the engine. So I'm gonna take the bottom panel off, find where it's coming from, and probably tighten up the catalytic converter, and I do have new gaskets if I need them. I'm gonna remove the splash shield. That means bolt here, here, back here, one there, and then a bunch of clips on the sides. There's a clip up in there. That's where it is. And then there's a clip here. Same thing on the other side, except this one isn't missing. There's one here, here, and then up in there. If it was an exhaust leak, it will be coming from the surface, gasket surface. Let me get my light on. There, the surface right there. That's where the exhaust leak could be coming from, but it sounds like it may not be a gasket. Sounds like it might not be exhaust leak after all, something maybe even more serious. We'll tighten that up and see if it fixes it, though. So the reason I thought this would be an exhaust leak was because the noise came shortly after. We replaced some of the exhaust items there. I don't know really where to go from here. I'm going to do some more research. And I'll let you guys know what I find out. I'm still not sure what it is. I'm going to do some research. If you know what it is, if you're a mechanic and you've seen this before, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to see what you think this might be. Soon I will figure this out, but for today I'm done working on it. I've got a lot of other stuff I need to work on. Thanks for watching.